Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio at the time of retirement of a partner. When a partner is retiring, what you have to do? You have to calculate the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. In case of admission, you are calculating sacrificing ratio. Why? Because a partner is coming inside the business. So, the other partners, existing partners, they sacrifice one part of their profit and give it to the new incoming partner. Here what is happening? A partner is going out of the firm, is retiring. So his share will be taken up by the other continuing partners. The partners also going to continue the business. They will take over the share what was so far gained by the retiring partner. So here in case of admission, we calculate sacrificing ratio, and in case of retirement, we are calculating gaining ratio. So today's class we will be seeing how to calculate new profit ratio and the gaining ratio at the time of retirement of a partner. So first we will do question number 7, page number 218. Kayal, Mala and Neela are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Kayal retires and the new profit sharing ratio between Mala and Neela is 3:2. Calculate the gaining ratio. Here three partners are there, Kayal, Mala and Neela. What is the old ratio? Old ratio is 2:2:1. So one partner, Kayal, is retiring. So what has to be done? Okay. So what else is given in the question? Old ratio is given as well as new ratio is also given. So what you have to do when new ratio is given? That is the first thing. There are so many conditions are there. Here new ratio is given. So what we have to do? So calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So question number 7. Okay. So first condition, when new profit sharing ratio is given. In this question, new profit sharing ratio is given. Okay. So the partners are Kayal, Mala and Neela. First write the old ratio. Old ratio, what is given in the question? 2:2:1. So old share will be 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. If you add all these, you will get 5. So that will be the denominator. This is given in the question. Then what else is also given in the question? New ratio is also given. New ratio is equal to, that is for Mala and Neela. New ratio is 3:2. That is 3/5, 2/5. This is what given in the question. So the formula is share gained. Share gained is equal to new share minus old share. So you must find, Kayal is retiring. Kayal is a retiring partner. So you have to calculate for Mala and Neela. So for Mala, first for Mala, what is the new share of Mala? Mala is 3/5. So 3/5. What is Mala's old share? 2/5. So that is 3 minus 2/5. That will give you 1/5. This is for Mala. Then find out for Neela. So Neela. For Neela, what is the new share of Neela? New share is 2/5. What is the old share of Neela? 1/5. So that will give 2 minus 1/5. That will give you 1 by 5. Okay. So, gaining ratio of Mala and Neela is Mala and Neela is 1:1. Gaining ratio of Mala and Neela is 1 by 5 is to 1 by 5, that is 1:1. Hope you understood, children. First see what is given in the question. Who are the partners? New profit sharing ratio is given. 3 partners are there, Kayal, Mala and Neela. Okay. Old ratio. What is the old ratio? 2:2:1. New ratio is also given. Kayal is retiring, so only Mala and Neela. That is 3:2. Okay. So find the new share. This is the old share. This is the new share. So what is the formula? Share gained is equal to new share minus old share. So use the formula and find the gaining ratio for Mala and Neela. Okay. Next we will do question number 8. Question number 8, page number 218. Sunil, Sumati and Sundari are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:3:4. Sundari retires and her share is taken up entirely by Sunil. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So Sunil, Sumati and Sundari, 3 partners are there. What is their old ratio? 3:3:4. Who is retiring? Sundari is retiring and Sundari's share is taken up entirely by one partner, that is Sunil. Okay. When the retiring partner share is taken up entirely by one single partner, what is the method? How you have to calculate? Okay. So the next second condition, 8. When new profit sharing ratio is not given, this is the second condition. When new profit sharing ratio is not given, only one partner gains the retiring partner's share. Okay. So write the old. What is the old ratio? Old ratio is equal to 3 partners, Sunil, Sumati and Sundari. Okay. 3:4. So that is old share will be 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Okay. Now who is retiring? Sundari is retiring. What is Sundari's share? Sundari's share is 4 by 10. Who is taking it? Gained entirely by Sunil. So Sunil will get this plus this. Okay. So you have to add Sundari's share with Sunil. Okay. Share gained by Sunil is taking Sundari's share, that is 4 by 10. Okay. So gaining ratio is 4 by 10 is to 0 or 4:0. Gain only for one partner. So 4 by 10 is to 0 or 4:0. This is the gaining ratio. Now what you are asked? You are asked to calculate the new ratio. Okay. So you have to write like this. New share of the continuing partners is equal to old share plus gained share. Okay. So Sundari is not there. I have to calculate only for Sunil and Sumati. So first find for Sunil. For Sunil, what is the old share for Sunil? 3/10. How much is the share gained by Sunil? 4/10. So that will give you 3 plus 4 divided by 10 is equal to 7/10. Found out for Sunil. Next for Sumati. Sumati, old share is 3/10. Again is nothing, she is not gaining anything, 0. So again she will get 3/10. So new profit sharing ratio of Sunil and Sumati is 7/10 is to 3/10, that is 7:3. Hope you understood, children. When new ratio is not given and the gain is taken entirely by only one partner, what you have to do? So in this question, 3 partners are there: Sunil, Sumati, Sundari. Old ratio is given in the question, 3:3:4. So old share will be 3/10, 3/10, 4/10. Share gained by Sunil. Retiring partner is Sundari. His share is taken entirely by Sunil. So Sunil share gain is 4/10. So gaining ratio will be 4/10 is to 0 or 4 is to 0. So what is the formula? New share of the continuing partners is equal to old share plus gained share. Okay. So only for Sunil, old share plus gain. For Sumati, only old share. So that will give your new ratio, that is 7:3. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.